Hello, my name is Donna Leopard, and I would like to welcome you to my queendom in South Carolina. So you're probably asking yourself, what makes this woman think she is a queen? Is it her attitude, her environment, her teaching style? What is it that makes her think that she should be treated like royalty? Well, it's all of those reasons. But first, let's start with my environment. I am obsessed with everything regal. This is a picture of my classroom. Yes, I teach perched atop of my personal throne. I have a stained glass, light dimmers for my fluorescent lights overhead, tapestries on the wall, and two knights, Fred and George. Incidentally, I am a Ravenclaw. But that's not the limit of my obsessions. I'm a bit of a contradiction of terms. I reign in my queendom and enjoy holding court in my throne room. But I'm also a bit obsessed with world wrestling entertainment, and my family and I take every opportunity to cosplay. Perhaps if you're ever in my part of the country, you'll find us at Dragon Con. I am married to local attorney Greg Leopard. We have two daughters, Julia, who's at UGA, and Amelia, who is here at Fox Creek. We have a chocolate lab named Coco Chanel and a cuddly pit bull terrier named Stinky. We are self-proclaimed nerds, constantly watching The Big Bang Theory, Star Trek, or Twilight Zone. I love teaching science fiction and frequently find myself drawn to episodes of the original Twilight Zone series, sometimes Anne Rice novels and dystopian literature. Although I do subscribe to the need of a literary canon, I don't believe, like some do, that the canon is static. I believe it is a fluid entity and so should constantly evolve. I love going to events with my friends, whether it's meeting Lord Vader at Disney's Galaxy's Edge, yes, I'm a Disney fanatic too, or attending fun musicals. Here we are being perfect angels at the musical Wicked. You'll find that I often have students begin and end the school year with high-interest books like Matched, Ender's Game, or Fahrenheit 451. I really think that if I start the year up with a book they'll enjoy, in which they will be able to identify, I can hook them into the classics as well. I've given the students a positive end to what may be a stressful school year. But I can also be a bit traditional. I teach grammar, more grammar, and a lot of grammar. I have them write and rewrite. Most students don't enjoy the process through the year, but at the end, they really do appreciate the results, and from time to time, we decompress and have some fun. I am an OCD INTP, which means I am data-driven. That permeates into my personal life as well. I run, not very quickly, not very proficiently, but I love running, and I love trying to improve my time. Of course, I have to run in costume. Here I am at Disney's Princess Half Marathon a few years ago as my favorite book-loving princess, Belle. I absolutely love my school, and I get very attached to my students. I tend to adopt new children every year, and my family is constantly growing. However, the loves of my life, along with my daughters and my husband, are my Leopardites. Not only did these ladies take 3 years of classes with me, sometimes a total of 4 hours a day, they have seen my daughters grow and even participated in my daughter Julia's quinceañera.